Every time someone sneezes, we bless them. But why? It's not just polite. It comes from fear. During the Black Plague, people thought sneezing meant your soul was leaving your body, or that death was coming. So people said bless you to protect the soul, or stop evil spirits from entering. Some believed it could even stop death. Today it's just habit, but you still say it, don't you? What other superstitions do you still follow? Drop one in the comments. If you stop now, you'll never know what they're hiding next. Subscribe to stay ahead.